our Stitches channels. Please, if you have not watched my former videos that I've uploaded on how to take measurement on gown and measurement on skirt and blouse, straight gown like this, please go to our Stitches channels and watch my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Today we'll be learning how to cut materials using the measurement that we have taken. That's what we want to learn today. Today we want to learn how to cut a gown, a straight fitted gown like this with a turtleneck. But I won't be teaching us how to take the turtleneck because of time. I will be teaching us on how to cut different type of neck, like roll neck, like bishop neck, like collar neck, suit collar neck on another video. Please always don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I upload another video. So today we'll be learning how to cut a straight fitted gown. That is what we want to learn how to cut today. So let's get started. First of all, you have taken your measurement, you place your measurement book. The length of this customer is 39 inches. The customer's length is 39 inches, but we are adding 3 inches to it. One, because 2 inches go for sewing and folding allowance. Then the remaining 1 inches go for the waist, because this gown is having a half cut. So that remaining 1 inch, after you have take this mark, you have marked it, then you now come from shoulder again and take the 16. The normal half length of this customer is 15, but because of this half cut, we have to add another inches for sewing allowance. After that, you will now come to other bust. The other bust is 12 for this customer, which I have marked here, is 12. Then you mark that place. Then you come up to take the armhole. The armhole, which is the bust point. The armhole is a bust point, which is 9.5. 9.5. You mark it, which place I have marked here. Then after that, you come to the upper bust. The upper bust for this customer from shoulder to upper bust is 6, which I have marked here. After doing that man, then you will now come down and begin to take the measurement that you have taken. The upper bust for this customer here is just is 33, which is the upper bust. And after dividing it by 4, we get 7.5. We got 7.5 from here, which I have marked here. Then the armhole is 9.5. Like as I've said, it's 9.5. Then you remove 1 inch for shoulder slope. 1 inch for shoulder slope. Then you now join the bust. The bust is 35. The bust for this customer is 35. You will now put the mark here, which is 35. You put it here where the armhole ends. You put it here, then you join this line and this line together. Why you join it? Because you are going to make use of this point here. So you take 1.5 inch from this point and mark it here. Another 1.5 inch from this point and mark it here. If you have marked this, then you have marked this upper bust, which we got 7.5. Then you will now join them together, so that you will, after sewing, you will get a fitted hand, that you will not have any excess of material here again. We will have a fitted sleeve, a fitted gown. Then after that, you come to the measurement of the under bust. The measurement of the under bust for this customer is 29. And at the end, adding 2 inches sewing allowance, it gave us 10.5. It gave us 9.5. That is what it gave to us. Then the waist is 30. So after everything, it gave us 10.2. But you can just make it 10.5 for just excess sake. It does not remove, does not add to it. Then you now take the hip. The hip of the customer is 36. By the time you divide the hip into 4 and add 2 inches to it, it will give you 11.5. Then to get the shape down here, You will now remove 1.5 from 11.5. 1.5 from 11.5, it will now give you 9.5, which is this mark that you have seen here to give you a proper shape. Then you now join everything together like this to give you the normal this thing. Then the neckline, you take from the folded part. Remember, you must fold your material into two. This first folding give you the front part of this material into two. Your fabric must be folded into two. Then from the folded part, you mark 3 inches. 3 inches. Then from the up the shoulder here, you mark another 3 inches. Then from the shoulder here, you mark 1 inch. 1 inch here. Then from the folded part this side, you mark another inch for you to get the neckline. And you join it together, it will give you a perfect neckline. To give you a perfect neckline. We have cut out the front part and we have folded the back part. The front part is just this that we have cut out, and we have folded the back part into two again to give us the back part of this gown. For the difference between the front and the back is that the back will be 1 inch or 1.5 inch bigger than the front. Then it will be longer with 1 inch to give you the shoulder position, so that the cloth will be moving up. 1 inch up here, then 1 inch by the side. That is just the difference. Then because this one is a turtleneck, you just mark 2 inches. 2 inches and join it together to this shoulder and cut. That is just the difference between this thing, which I'm cutting out now. You can see that I'm cutting it out. Then this another thing, the front, the armhole, the back will be 1 inch or half inch bigger, wider than the front, which I have marked here. You can see it, that is wider than the front. It's not the same thing. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos.